Copycat recipe of Panera Bread's kitchen sink cookies. Have you ever tried out Panera Bread's kitchen sink cookies? If not, let me explain how this cookie is. Me and my family are a huge fan of Panera Bread's kitchen sink cookies. A perfect big cookie filled with caramel, chocolate chunks, pretzels, and a sprinkle of flaky sea salt on top. Often Panera Bread is out of those delicious cookies, so I tried to recreate these cookies at home. And guess what? My family approved it. This is how I make these perfectly amazingly delicious kitchen sink cookies at home. Let's make it. Bismillah. In a mixing bowl, add flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix well and set aside. Exact amount of ingredients are listed in the end of the video. In another mixing bowl, add melted butter, white and brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix and add an egg. Mix well. And add to flour mix. Add chocolate chunks, chewy caramels, pretzels pieces, and chocolate chips. Combine well and refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time period, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. To make jumbo big cookies, just like Panera Bread, scoop approximately 1/3 cup of dough. Place on silicone or parchment paper lined baking sheet. Only 2 or 3 big cookies will fit per sheet. Flatten down just like this. Note: for big cookies you have to flatten it down, otherwise end up with domed cookies. Sprinkle some flaky sea salt, just a pinch, or according to your preference. You will able to make 6 to 7 big cookies out of this recipe. I'm baking only 2 cookies at this time. Bake in preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes, or until light brown around edges. Centers will be soft. Remove it from the oven. After baking, tap it down the cookie sheet to your kitchen counter, like this. Otherwise you will get domed on cookies. If melted caramel spreads out, so you can easily fix it like this. And let it cool down for 5 minutes before serving. Rest of the cookie dough, make dough balls, and you can use next day by keeping it in refrigerator, or freeze it for later up to 2 months. Note down the ingredients. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share, and comment below. Enjoy with coffee, milk, or tea. Thanks for watching.